Well, good morning, everybody. This is Lawnmower Man, Southeast Kansas. Today's October 6th, Sunday, 2019, and do this quick video on my mower deck, John Deere 102 5-speed. It's about a 2005 model, and got a slight problem with the deck here. You might say that's beyond repair. I can't afford to get another deck, and I have several used decks of different machines, mostly Craftsman and some MTD Murray type, but those won't come near fit to reconfiguring them for my machine. It'd be quicker, easier to get another used deck, and again, I just can't afford that. Just sent to Amazon for not only new pulley for this spindle. The original spindle too, is great, good shape. The center hole of the pulley wore out, six-sided, just became rounded off, and sent for a new pulley. That was about $10, $11, something like that. But I come across this what's called a deck spindle reinforcement kit. There were two plates, steel rings, 3/16 steel. I guess one for each side, and I'll check the other one, see if I need to go the route of putting a plate on the other side too or not. But definitely put one on this side, and with the spindle on below come up from the bottom, and this ring on the top, I'm going to weld it in place all around, and all these cracks you see here, those will straighten out and lay flat again, and I'll weld them all up. And I'll have essentially a stronger, better built deck. But it is repairable. And going over it yesterday as to what to do. And I just bought a new pair of blades for this mower. Brand new mulching blades. But it's in good shape. The bearings are fine, original spindles, good bearings. I'm also going to have to replace this arm. The flat pulley arm, it is it's in bad shape. Sorry about the shaky cam, try to hold it still. I haven't even taken that bolt off yet, but I don't need to till it's shot. I'm going to send for that arm too. I forgot to do that in this order. Getting those reinforcement plates and the pulley. That came to just $44 with tax, so parts-wise, that's not a bad deal. Anyway, I wanted to make this and get it on YouTube today. Hope you're all having a good weekend, and get back on this Tuesday when these parts come in. Okie dokie. Catch you later. Have a good one. Bye.